How's it looking for the window?
I just gotta figure out how tall before I put a...
Oh, okay. There is that window that goes in here.
I'm hoping that I got it right now.
Yeah, I hope so
When I
too.
put it in. But I don't want to take this out until these are really good and set.
Right.
Because I don't want to take it out and then slip a little bit.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Or me bump them or...
Right. I don't blame you.
I don't know how much support they're giving it.
Well, at least they can't fall too far.
But now,
Okay.
what we're going to do is start again with brick. Here, there, and everywhere. And then start up again to about here before we have to put the top beam in over the window.
Okay.
So a little bit of brickwork.
Just a little bit.
We love the brickwork.
Yep. Gonna go mix the hot lime now.
No.
Hey, baby. What's she doing?
Well, I have to figure out my next mortar joints. So if I have quarter-inch mortar joints, then my brick will be correct at the top. Because I got to build brick about to here for that next big gigantic stone. I mean, it's big.
It is big.
But it has to have a solid platform on it. I don't want to just set it on there.
Right.
So we've got to have brick behind it up to here.
Okay.
So I had to schedule it out and see what I'm going with. Looks like I'll be able to do it if I do it in. So 2.5, which equates to quarter-inch grout lines.
Okay.
I say grout lines.
I heard you say
I
grout
did
line.
on purpose.
Mortar
Yeah.
joints. Mortar.
Mortar joints. Mortar joints.
Well, Frank's got his string line ready to go. He's got a couple bricks in already. So,
Yeah, baby.
yeah. Sun's very bright.
I like to consider myself a bright sun.
Your daughter might differ.
Baby.
We had a slight do-over.
One step forward, 2 steps back.
Right, we took those bricks off.
I was trying to match this,
Right.
but I think that that's out farther than it was. So now I'm just gonna go up straight with this.
Well, Frank, what are we doing?
Putting rocks on.
We're putting those, the sun is in a really bad spot, but we're putting on that outer arch just to, well, because we can, but it also will hold these better. That's the plan anyway, huh?
Yeah. Our plans have changed before.
Right.
Once or twice.
Yeah, but that's okay.
In general, we do what we want to do.
Right.
Do what you want to do. I can't help it. Oh, no, that's not right. Do what you want to do.
We got some brick.
I can't tell you.
We got some brick put in, but we decided we really, to help hold these, we wanted to get that in so that that set really well as well.
Frank
Okay.
has to go to work.
Yep, Frank's got to go to work, so we don't want anything to disturb those while we're gone, while he's gone. So,
You're going too.
yes, I know. But I think it looks fabulous. Just fabulous.
I think it looks just fabulous.
Yeah, I do.
Hey, baby.
Hey, baby.
Been a long day.
Yes, it has.
Days to YouTube subscribers don't really mean much. Because sometimes a video takes a couple days of us working. Some days a video covers half a day.
Yeah, yeah,
Some days we do a lot more than other days.
that's true. We've got a lot of stones on today.
I think so. Well, I guess you could say that.
This stone was actually broken. Come on. There we go. Frank's trying to glue it a little bit back together. And now he's going to do his pointing thing.
Well, let's see if I can get it up a little farther. Drop him, baby.
I'm tripping over the bricks. But it's not finished yet. Looks cool. Yeah, it's a little on the dark side. But we don't want to take that tarp off because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. And we're just doing some more brickwork to support those, so those corners are very supported before we put the great big ones on. So that's what we're doing today. Just a quick little,
On the dark side.
yeah.
Oh,
So-
yeah.
Well, Frank's up there doing that. I'm down here cleaning some bricks. I got a whole bunch, but check out that pile. It's pretty much gone. This is my pile to clean. Those are connected together that I need to break apart, but just this little area right there are full bricks. The rest of these are broken or half bricks already. So there's a few more over there, but all this area has been gone. Remember, it was way up here. So that's how many bricks we've already put back in. So and that little pile right there are the ones that I accidentally break in half. So a hazard's of pounding on old brick. We got a nice batch of hot lime mortar.
Just filling in the gaps now.
Yeah. And it's looking
Gotta get it up to here so we can put that big
that big corner
big
one on.
rock that goes right to here. It's 20 inches long.
Yeah. I was cleaning the back of it earlier. There's a lot of tar and yuck on it. So Frank, you kind of blend in with the
Tarp color.
the tarp color and the reflection off your sweatshirt. It's very fallish.
I hope not. I hope it don't fall.
Autumnish. How's that?
Oh.
Autumnish.
We don't say fall around here.
No. That tarp that you see was one of those copper tarps that we had up on the roof that we replaced with that torch down roofing. So, but it still has a little life in there. It's been on the house for over a year. But
Off and on.
Off and on, and so
get it?
yeah, now it's back on. But it's helping us do the job. It's getting a little thin in places, as you can see, but
this is not a very big area to cover.
No.
Because we're getting things closed up.
yeah, we are. So it'll be a lot warmer up here now that we're not going to have a whole wall missing. So, but that tarp has been worth its weight. That's for sure.
It's weight in copper.
Yeah.
It's kind of loose today.
Yeah, I made it a little loose, sorry. It's a little loose. It's not supposed
It'll
to
work.
be, but
It just shrinks a lot more when it's loose.
yeah,
But it's not going to shrink a whole lot because there's pretty small joints.
yeah. Frank's over here playing with some more brick, building a wall.
Sure is a lot of brick behind the stone.
Yeah, there is.
I'm glad we didn't brick the whole thing. I think I might have already said that.
Yeah,
I'm glad we concreted it.
yeah. Sure is looking nice though, even though this is the back side.
Well, it's going to be appearance. You're going to be able to see it.
Yeah,
You'll actually be able to see this more close up than you will be the other side.
that's true.
Because that's 40, 50 feet in the air.
That's true.
This is almost, that part down there is eye level.
Well,
We're
that's
standing
true.
on a 5-foot scaffolding, so
Yeah, that's true. That's part of the window right there, so yeah. It's true, we will be able to see this closer up.
sometimes they break pretty, sometimes they don't. Nope.
And that one did it. That's okay.
I'll use it somewhere else. It's almost, almost long enough.
So,
Try again. That one didn't work.
well, you needed a half brick somewhere. So, sometimes they work great and sometimes they don't. That's okay.
Try this one.
That one's got lots of cracks in it already.
That one might work good.
Nope,
But I can make it into half.
that'll work.
Boy, these are nice bricks.
Well, they're as old as the house, and the house is over 100 years old, so they're allowed.
130.
Yeah,
Ish.
ish. All right,
Hey.
there we go. Just like it needs it to be.
That one will work.
There you go.
A lot of work.
Yep. Okay, Frank's got those bricks all up. The header is getting ready to go in. Frank is pulling off all the trim around that window that goes up there. We have to, is it too short now or too long?
Too shallow, yeah.
Yeah. So we've got to do some adjusting to it. Now we're going to try to get it up into there.
I put gloves on.
Yeah. Little kitty's still here. Nobody.
She left, but
Yeah. Just trying to brush it off a little bit.
at least the outside.
Yeah. Frank's making it all dusty. Do you need me to hold it? Well, that's what it looks like in place. Of course, we still have to secure it and everything, but very good. Mia. That's a good girl. Silly girl.